पानी नजर आ रहा है. I can see the sea. I know it's not the sea, but I just said it for fun. I can see the sea.
इतने पानी क्यों है? ऐसा लगता है यूरोप आ गए.
Europe आ गए हैं हम. We are in Europe. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to
No,
Europe.
look at this dog. Look at this
Oh,
dog.
so cute. It's a
Doggy,
stray
doggy,
dog.
doggy, doggy.
It's a stray dog.
No, it's not. It should not be. गाड़ी में डाल ले.
Ghost house. Ghost house. Ghost house. Ghost house. No one lives in the house because a ghost lives in. Hello everyone. Welcome to my security Zirwa. Today we are at Mangala Dam here. There are lots of people and I am with my cousins. Mars, Kanatapi and Zanera. Zanera is also called the We're going. Look at how many birds there are over there. Wow, that's so.
जरा बोल सक बता सक बोल.
There's a school trip here. I mean school trips. That's why there are lots of people. It's normally very like no one here. Yeah. There's just so many white things. Those are birds. Those are very pretty, right? Yeah, it looks very. It's like a flock of birds. Yeah. There are so many out here. Watch a big mountain. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh look!
Yeah, there's a tug of war.
Oh wow! What is that?
जरा आगे से हाँ थोड़ा.
Look! This one!
Zirwa.
Oh, this one! Oh my goodness! Here the Mangala Dam is also
We're gonna take this boat.
There are some mini waves. Mini waves? I think the fishes are not here. I think they are not. There. Let's see if they're over there. Yeah. They're not in that water. Come on. There are no fishes today, right? And except for our shoe. Yeah. Our shoe bar. The memory foam of the shoe. खाना खाने
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
What do you want to do here?
Like we're gonna do a boat and like play Tekken 7. Drone available.
मैंने आपको बोला नहीं अगर बात करनी है तो मुझे इन्फॉर्म करना है. कब के इन्फॉर्म?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Zirwa.
Looks exactly like where Moana lives.
किसी जगह जाओ।
Yeah.
Devi, you ready for the speedboat?
वेट
Yes. Really
Yes,
excited.
guys.
154 अभी जाएगा, ये खड़ा है 154।
Oh my God. Look, I'm like a person. They had them standing You was well. Oh look, she's coming, she's coming, she's coming. Bye. Bye. Have a great trip. Oh my God, there's so many. Soon there are gonna be millions and millions of frogs.
किधर जाएगा?
टूरिस्ट कौन है?
These are frog babies. They're called tadpoles. Yeah. I'm a gorilla.
चलो,
पहले आप जाओ।
मैं जैकेट पहननी है।
हाय गाइस।
Hi. इधर।
ओए
Oh my God. पापा आप इधर आ जाओ। ठीक है। चलो कमाल है
अभी एक मोबाइल देना जिसका अच्छा सा रिजल्ट हो, आगे बैठ के वीडियो। चलिए चलो। मैं बनाता हूँ आप
I'm
लोग।
so scared. मुझे डर भी लग
Are you excited, Zirwa?
Yes. We are so excited.
हाँ मैं दे रही हूँ मैं।
Zirwi, you having fun?
Yeah.
It's a thrill sports, you know that. Diana, you're having fun? Let's go! Mars, you're having fun?
Yes.
Yes, Zirwi!
Amazing. Yeah, amazing. Now can we play Taken 7? Yeah.
Not now. अभी हम उधर जाएंगे ऊपर।
Okay. Taken 7 though is up.
Okay.
Okay. A little bit.
इधर से आओ, इधर से आओ। Zirwa, you can take off if you want to.
Yeah, I'm taking it off. I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying.
Hi.
Yeah. Next one is a fall. Yeah. Let's go.
Hello.
Hi.
Say cheese.
I hope you enjoy my video at Mangla Dam Resorts. And look at the view. Make sure to like